Traced your shadow in the static light. Felt every silence screaming through the night. You left a ghost inside my ribcage. Now every breath just echoes your name. Cold like a prayer I never said. Truth in the lies we both misread. You pull me under just to watch me drown, then wore my scars like a crown. I try to numb it, bury the pain, but it blooms in the dark again. If I break, will you feel it too? Every piece still tied to you. In the void where our hearts collide, I'm alive but I'm dying inside. Call my name through the afterglow. Where you at? I don't know, but I'm chained to the ghost of you. Even heaven feels like a wound. Velvet venom on your tongue. Every forever came undone. You built your throne from my despair. Left me bleeding in your prayer. I hear your voice in the undertow, a fading echo I can't let go. You were the fire, I was the ash. Now I'm nothing but your aftermath. I try to fight it, sever the thread, but you're still inside my head. If I break, will you feel it too? Every piece still tied to you. In the void where our hearts collide, I'm alive but I'm dying inside. Call my name through the afterglow. Where you at? I don't know, but I'm chained to the ghost of you. Even heaven feels like a whisper my sins like a lullaby. Tell me again that it's all I gave you faith, I gave you blood. You gave me silence dressed as love. Now I'm staring at the value made, just to see if you stay. If I break, will you feel it too? Every piece still tied to you.